Russian drone operators destroyed a T-64 tank of the Ukrainian army hidden deep in the woods, arguably one of the best protected tanks they've encountered. It was covered with camouflage netting, parked under a wooden shelter, and positioned inside a ditch for additional concealment. The first drone strike hit the front section, tearing away the external cover. The second targeted the upper glacis near the driver's hatch, followed by a third strike on the same spot. Even the fourth drone, equipped with a different warhead, struck the same location. The fifth drone's footage showed the tank beginning to smoke, prompting the operator to target the engine area and clear the remaining camouflage. With its cover gone, the sixth drone delivered a direct hit to the engine compartment, followed by a seventh strike on the same area. By the time the eighth drone arrived, the tank was burning intensely. The extensive protection around the tank forced Russian operators to use 7 drones to ensure its destruction. A clear demonstration of how determined they are to make enemy vehicles completely inoperable.